Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this lecture we will cover real number and its types with real life examples, so stay connected with us till the end. Basically it is a set of numbers that include all natural number, whole number, integer number, odd number, even number, prime number, composite number, rational and irrational number, used to represent quantities that can be measured, such as length, mass, and time. They are a fundamental concept in mathematics and are used in a wide range of applications. Let's solve each one by one. 1. Natural number. They are counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, generally represented by capital letter N. Next, whole number. It starts from 0. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Represented by capital letter W. Next, even number. The numbers which is completely divides by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Represented by capital letter E. Next, odd number. The numbers which does not completely divides by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Represented by capital letter O. Next, integer number. It consists of positive and negative numbers, generally represented by capital letter Z. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, prime number. Are those numbers which have only two divisible, one in itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Next, composite number. Are those numbers which have more than two divisible. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, and so on. Next, rational numbers. Those numbers that can be expressed as a fraction, generally represented by capital letter Q. Under root 4. 3 by 4 or 22 by 7. Next, irrational numbers. Those numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Pi value, exponent value and square root of 2. Thanks for watching the lecture. Goodbye for now. See you soon.